Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, after eating his meal, the lion fell asleep under a tree. A little mouse saw him and thought it would be fun to play on him. He began running up and down the sleeping lion. He ran up the tail and side down the tail. The lion woke up angrily with a loud roar. He grabbed the mouse with his huge paw. The mouse struggled but could not escape. The lion opened his big jaws to swallow him. The mouse was very scared. "Oh king, I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time, please let me go. I shall never forget it, and maybe one day I can help you." The lion was so amused by the idea of mouse being able to help him that he lifted up his paw and let him go. "Thank you, king. I will never forgive your kindness. You are lucky, my friend, that I just eaten, or I will take a meal of you." Few days later, the lion was roaming in the jungle. Hunters set a trap to catch the lion. Waiting for the lion to approach the trap, they went back to the village to bring a cart to transport the lion. The lion was still roaring loudly. All the animals, including mouse, heard the roar. "The king is in trouble. I must return the favor." He soon reached the lion. "Don't worry, my king. I will set you free." He climbed up the trap. He used his sharp little teeth to bite through the ropes. And finally, he freed the lion from the trap. The lion realized that even little mouse can be a great help. "Thank you, mouse. I will never trouble you again. Live happily in my forest. You saved the king's life. Now you are the prince of this forest." "Thank you, king. Bye. See you soon. Where are you going? Don't you want to play on me and side down my tail?" The mouse started jumping on his back and sliding down his tail. After a while, the hunters came back with a big cart to carry the lion. The lion and the mouse saw them and started running towards them. The lion gave a big roar. The hunters were terrified and ran away back to the village. So, my dear viewers, this was a beautiful story to improve your English listening and speaking skills. So, my dear viewers, listening is a very healthy practice to improve your speaking. Kindly share your views through comment section, like, share and subscribe my channel.